A lightning strike caught on camera in Doral. A tree hit and a fire breaks out.
Lightning striking firefighters in Boca Raton. The trio was on the job putting out a house fire at the time.
And hail in Homestead, a Local 10 viewer posting this video to our Facebook page.
And crazy clouds over Broward County. Drivers saw this strange sight over I-95 today. Local 10 viewers sending in these pictures. Plus, some areas really got flooded out.
And we have team coverage tonight on this wild weather, starting with Local 10 News reporter Leanne Motorhone in Delray Beach, where one of the firefighters hit by lightning is still recovering tonight. Leanne.
Well, Calvin, this lightning, if you're at home right now, if you were anywhere in South Florida today, it's likely you saw it. Strong storms, heavy rain, and of course that lightning and thunder. That lightning even affecting folks here in Palm Beach County, where 3 firefighters were jolted by lightning. One of them still tonight in the hospital. That jolt so strong it knocked one of those firefighters right off his feet. Severe weather making its way through South Florida Tuesday, sending 3 Boca Raton firefighters to the hospital. The trio responded to a house fire this afternoon caused by a lightning strike when they themselves became victims of a second strike. One firefighter is still recovering tonight at Delray Medical Center, but all 3 are expected to be okay.
When I heard the radio transmission, I got goosebumps.
3 men at Everglades Holiday Park needing a rescue of their own this afternoon. The group took 2 airboats out to recover a 3rd boat when severe weather caused one of the boats to start sinking.
Lightning on all sides of them, heavy rain and winds. They took on water, and they were all soaking wet, cold.
The men were brought in without injuries by Broward Sheriff Fire Rescue. Today's wicked weather made noise across South Florida, from hail down in Homestead to crashes of thunder in Parkland. Bright flashes of light spotted there and in Wilton Manors as well. Lightning touching down on the ground below.
Oh my God.
This strike captured and posted by a Doral man on his balcony. The video almost too good to be true.
Some people actually think it's fake. On social media they were telling me, and I'm like, no, there's no way it's fake.
But the strike that sent 3 firefighters to the hospital was all too real. And tonight, their assistant chief has a reminder for us all.
Just want the public to know that the lightning storms, they're nothing to fool around with. Seek shelter.
Excellent advice there. The National Weather Service always reminding us that where there is thunder, there is lightning. Always go indoors. And of course, we can always recommend that you keep it locked here to Local 10 News, your weather authority, whenever severe weather threatens. We are live in Delray Beach tonight. Leanne Morejon, Local 10 News.